The Ultimate Virtual Assistant Tutorial. Master the art of remote assistance. Here are what you will get with this tutorial. Understanding the role of a virtual assistant. Setting up your virtual assistant business. Essential tools for virtual assistants. Effective time management. Developing strong communication skills. Providing exceptional client service. Efficient task and project management. Marketing yourself as a virtual assistant. Expanding your skills and services. Welcome to the Ultimate Virtual Assistant Tutorial, a step-by-step process of becoming an exceptional virtual assistant. This tutorial will equip you with the knowledge and tools to thrive in the world of remote assistance, whether you are new or want to enhance your skills. First, we have to understand the role of a virtual assistant. Let's define the role of a virtual assistant. Here are some key aspects that define the virtual assistant role. Unlike traditional administrative assistants, virtual assistants work remotely, often from their home office or any location with an internet connection. This allows for flexibility in terms of working hours and location. Virtual assistants possess a wide range of skills and competencies tailored to their clients' needs. These may include administrative tasks, project management, social media management, content creation, customer service, bookkeeping, data entry, and more. Virtual assistants collaborate closely with their clients to understand their requirements, priorities, and preferences. Clear and effective communication is essential to ensure tasks are completed accurately and efficiently. As a virtual assistant, you are responsible for managing your time effectively to meet deadlines and juggle multiple tasks simultaneously. Prioritization and organizational skills play a crucial role in ensuring productivity and meeting client expectations. Virtual assistants maintain a high level of professionalism and uphold strict confidentiality when handling client information. Trust is paramount in building strong and long-lasting client relationships. Virtual assistants leverage various digital tools and software to streamline their work processes and enhance productivity. Proficiency in communication tools, project management systems, cloud storage, and collaboration platforms is essential. Virtual assistants often encounter new challenges and tasks that require problem-solving skills and adaptability. Being resourceful and finding efficient solutions is key to overcoming obstacles and providing exceptional service. Virtual assistants stay updated with industry trends, new tools, and emerging technologies to expand their skill set and deliver value to clients. Continuous learning helps them remain competitive and offer innovative solutions. Defining the virtual assistant role provides a clear understanding of the responsibilities, skills, and qualities required to excel in this profession. As a virtual assistant, you have the opportunity to make a significant impact by supporting clients, streamlining their operations, and helping them achieve their business objectives. Stay tuned next week as we move along in identifying the skills and qualities required for a virtual assistant.